Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Creve Coeur, local and long distance movers near me. With us, you get the top options to make your long distance move easier, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. A good long distance moving company makes relocating easier. You have enough to worry about with a new location and getting settled in. We can make it easier by taking the stress of moving off your plate. The right Illinois moving company can give you the help you need with a local move. It's not a small job to move all your things to a new location. Whether you're moving a large home, a business, or even a small apartment, it's still quite a bit of work. Hiring a team like 3 Movers makes it easier to move, even locally. We save you a ton of time and energy, and our team will get you settled in faster, and we can even make an offer on packing and unpacking services. If you don't want to spend a week or longer moving, let us get you moved in one day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Creve Coeur moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.